To demonstrate the Power-Strut metal framing system, we'll assemble a 7-foot by 8-foot metal structure that demonstrates a few of the more common applications, including storage racks, pipe and conduit supports, pipe rollers, cable tray, and cable clamps. With very little training, workers can assemble the entire structure in about an hour. Here's how we do it. To build a storage rack, begin by laying out an end stanchion on the floor. Place two 7-foot lengths of channel 2 feet apart with the channel slots facing each other. These are the uprights. Beginning at the top of the uprights, place 4 1-foot 9-inch lengths of channel every 2 feet with the slots facing down. These are the cross members of the stanchion. Be sure to leave a 1 5/8 inch space between each end of the cross members and the uprights. This will give you a place to insert the stringers later in the assembly. It's a good idea to keep a piece of scrap channel as a spacer to maintain a consistent space between the stringers. To complete the layout, position gusseted angle fittings under both the top and bottom cross members. Gusseted fittings provide exceptional stability. Position angle fittings under the 2 middle cross members. Be sure to place the single hole angle against the uprights. You can now see the shape of the first stanchion. Holding the stanchion members together is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Just insert a clamping nut in the channel slot opposite the hole in each fitting. Place a bolt through the hole in the fitting. Engage the threads of the clamping nut and tighten. When all uprights, cross members, and fittings have been securely bolted together and checked for accuracy, the first stanchion can now be used as a template for the remaining stanchions. This makes the process of building the 2 remaining stanchions move more quickly and ensure consistent dimensions. Now, stand the completed stanchions in their upright position and insert 8 8-foot lengths of channel slot down in the spaces provided for the stringers. Using clamping nuts and bolts, connect the stringers to the stanchions. To anchor uprights to the floor, attach post bases to column members. Next, attach a double 45-degree angle connector to the top portion of the center stanchion. Connect 2 5-foot 2 3/4 inch lengths of channel to this connector. These are the braces. Attach the braces to the lower portion of the end stanchions with swivel plates. Slide in the plywood and the storage rack is complete. Slide the plywood out and you have a frame that is ready-made to support pipe, conduit, cable, or cable tray. To install pipe, simply position pipe on the channel support and insert 2 halves of a pipe clamp. The tabs on the clamp hook easily to the inturned edges of the channel and can be inserted anywhere along the channel. Now, simply insert the clamp bolt through the holes on the top of the clamp and tighten with the nut provided. You will note that the curved straps of the clamp conform to the outside diameter of the pipe for a snug fit. The process for installing conduit is exactly the same. Pipe rollers can be used where conditions cause pipe expansion or contraction. They are positioned on the channel and are quickly secured with a nut and bolt. To support individual cables, simply position the cable along the channel support and clamp with porcelain insulator clamps. To support multiple power and signal cables, position a tray on the horizontal member of the stanchion and clamp with a suitable clamping device. It's that easy and should only take about an hour to assemble and install all of these components. Power-Strut's simple but ingenious system of components can be assembled in an unlimited number of configurations for an unlimited number of applications. The comprehensive line of fittings allows you to work at any angle and any surface to shape a support system that meets your needs. Power-Strut, limited only by your imagination.